Hello, myself Sunil Ramkishan. This is Vijay. So here one person told that basically. So whatever thing has happened basically, whoever got another bird, whatever things basically they got. But the topic was Sunil Nair basically was fired by the next generation. Basically. So here in Mumbai basically that is who are the rich people. Basically. So one person told that these all are the groups basically who are the rich who have the authority to give the job basically, but they have not given. So the authorized person basically are also controlled by some groups basically. That is Brahma Kumari like group basically. They basically say that basically your souls basically is in our control. So listen us only basically. Otherwise we will do some damage to your human souls. Basically. So that kind of people basically might be basically. Otherwise basically Mumbai basically might have given job basically. So here basically we are not telling the real face of Brahma Kumari group basically. But this is the reality. So here in person of why basically we are discussing this everything basically. Because this is future basically. Future means the human soul. Sunil Nair basically not got the job. He basically was fired from the Mumbai land basically. This was done human clone. Sorry, in human souls basically. First they have processed the data basically. Because the person is not getting job basically, that is processed in the human souls database, that is the nuclear power plant. As in that basically the Russian group basically has done their process basically, and that nuclear plant basically still exists basically. So that is basically the source basically. From that basically you can track that from here basically the Sunil Nair basically is not supposed to get job. That was processed basically. That was processed, and this is basically already done. And the nuclear power plant basically has already done the process. They have already done the process. So next video.